Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll do a new video that is the next part of the last video that we did. And in the last video we actually did a challenge where we compare OpenAI O1-preview and Claude 3.5 Sonnet in terms of programming. Unfortunately, for the use case that we had, OpenAI O1-preview was pretty bad at it, so it lost the game. But today I want to give the second chance to OpenAI O1-preview to create a complete game from scratch and see what it will come up with. So today we'll create this game 248. Hopefully the AI can create it. So based on the presentation that they did from their model, they say they can create a complete game in one single prompt. So we'll see if this is possible today. We'll implement this using React, and we'll use Code Sandbox to actually visualize it yeah, execute the code. So let's get started. So here I have O1-preview as a model. If we run out of, if we reach limits, I will just switch to O1-mini. They kind of have the same level of understanding of task. I think I did another video comparing both of them, so you can see that on the channel. But yeah, let's start. So just ask the model here, generate the game using React. I should be able to play with the keyboard. This is kind of obvious, but I want also some keys on the screen that I can play with, just in case my keyboard does not react accordingly, and some buttons on the screen that can place my keyboard for the game. So I think this is pretty complex, so it will surely take some prompt or some time to generate it. So let's see what we get. In the meantime, because it takes a lot of time to think, we'll create a sample project here. I prefer Next.js again. I think the environment for React is not that good, so let's go to Next.js. And in the meantime, oh, we have something already. Okay, so we have step-by-step implementation. 4 seconds. Seems like the game was pretty simple for the model. Mapping out, laying out a groundwork, and it seems like it's already generating something. So I hope it will work. So here we have this, okay, a really long code and the style for that code. And yeah, okay, let's start with this. I think this is a component called game48.js, so we'll call it game48.jsx. Let's go inside here. Paste this, okay. The style is called game.css. Okay, we paste this, and then the last part is to update the app, which in our case is actually the page.tsx. So just remove all this, put this, and then add a use client at the top. Okay, so this should work normally. So let's just preview the project and open it in a new tab. Nice, seems like we have something. So if I play, I don't know if it's just filling up. No, this is not working. No, just filling up some. Oh no, this is not working at all. I think 4 seconds to think about this game. It's not the right time, but okay. It is not working properly. The numbers are not disappearing, and the style. No, we don't care about the style here. The number are not disappearing, and what else? Yeah, the number are not disappearing, and the game is not playable. Okay, so in the meantime, I have to delete some style here from our global.css to avoid having this dark string. Yes, so we have the game now. The style is pretty good, I would say. It actually looks like the original game. Kind of looks like the original game. So let's see what we get here. So now we have a bit more time to think. I think maybe we'll come up with something more interesting than what we get right now. Okay, putting together details, mapping directions. I'm sorry to hear that the game isn't working. State mutation, incorrect movement logic. Okay, I just want to update the code. So this should be the updated code. Okay, perfect. So let's first copy this. For board game here, paste it. I think he updated the CSS as well, so let's update the CSS also. I don't know why you haven't updated CSS. Okay, and then yeah, copying the grid, refactor movement logic, do it comparison, simplify movement. Seems okay. So let's see. Okay, I think it pretty much changed the style too deeply. So let's start over again. Do this. Okay. Not working. Keyboard not working. Okay, so these two numbers here just stack one on each other. So if I just go down, still not working. It's just creating number at random places in the board. So let me just screenshot. It cannot take screenshots. So still not working. Okay, so it's still not working. Same issue. And can you? Okay, we don't care about animations. Okay, just same issue. Can you make the game playable? It is just generating random numbers. So maybe we can add the animation just to make sure that we see the movement of things. So maybe add animations also if possible. Okay. Thinking. The tile move and merge correctly according to the game rules. Additionally, I've added the scoring system. We can discuss adding animation afterward. Okay, I will just get what you give me. Okay. Okay, so we have the new game here. Updated. And here we have the new CSS. Okay. Longer. Okay. And what else we have? Explanations. Adding animations optional. Okay. Modify, add random tiles. Yeah. Okay. So. Okay. Let's play first. If it do not work again, we will then add this animation part. So, okay. Keyboard not working. Perfect. Oh. It's working. That's amazing. So it's working now. Okay. I think we just need some animations and our game is pretty usable, ready to be used. That's amazing. So I will just see if it is too, but I think we need animation. So let's see if the animation will make something more interesting out of this. So we need to go to the cell property in the CSS. Okay, I think this is one, and add this here. Transition background, and we create a transition and add a new class for new tiles. Okay, add this at the bottom, and then update the add random tile. But it's pretty good that at least we get something out of it. So maybe I'll do a second part of this where we compare how long it will take to, okay, great, to code to generate something pretty similar. So let's just add this at the bottom before returning the new grid. I think we are returning a new grid here, so we add this here. Hopefully that do not break the game. Update the rendering logic. Modify the rendering logic in your return statement. Which return okay. Here, okay, we go down there. Here. So game map, is it right thing? Grid map, cell value, return also, okay. Grid map, cell, I think it's this one, okay. In the grid. That seems pretty complex for what we are doing, I think. Yeah, anyway, let's try it out. If the animation is there, that would be pretty cool. Really cool. But I think we just broke the game somehow. Okay, I don't know why the keyboard is not working. Oh, nice. Yeah, but no, that just broke the game. So let's go back to the working version of the game. Here. Okay, should be that one. Ah, that's pretty good. Yeah, anyway, so we have a working game. I don't know how long it took, but in an upcoming video we will try to create more and more complex things. So maybe create more complex app with O1-preview and see how far we can go with that model. So this one was pretty good. In maybe 3-4 iterations we can create a complex game like this one, and this game is actually making a lot of money online. So yeah, I'm pretty impressed by what we did here in just few iterations. But yeah, that's working. So of course, with some more iteration and improvement, we can create something pretty good with animations, with maybe some good design overall. But I think this is pretty good as an output for 3-4 iterations. So the one is actually pretty good. Yeah, so thank you for watching, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. So if you want to keep up with the changes about AI, so I'm doing a lot of video, mainly upcoming video will be tutorials on how to use AI to build cool things, and also how to code using LLMs. So if you're interested by this topic, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.